Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Faruk Acar. How's going? Today is really good day for me because I will do amazing things. I will do zipline and this is really enjoy because this zipline is longer in the Izmir and it's very long. I will show you. Look at this. I will start there and I will sky there. It's very long. It's crazy. I didn't try before zipline and this is my first time. It's little secret, you know. It's okay. I will be ready for sky. Yep.
Şu an 1-1-2 kişi gönderiyorum kardeşim. 1-1-2 kişi. Şuradan ters.
Okay guys, I am ready. Look at this. This costume is... Teşekkürler. This costume is different little, but it's good because it's safe. Yeah, I'm start. Yeah, I will take the GoPro later. I will show you. Go. I am little secret. Yeah, but that's okay. Nasıl olacağını anlat bana.
Önce oturacaksın hatta.
Evet.
Salacak pozisyonda havada kalacaksın. Ondan sonra 1-2-3 diyeceğim, göndereceğim seni.
Tamam, benim bir yere tutmam gerekiyor mu?
Ben söyleyeceğim onu. Aşağı indiğin zaman söyleyeceğim.
Tamam.
Bunu da bağlayacağım eline. Bak bu ipi tutmuyorsun kesinlikle.
Tamam.
Elini buradan bırakmıyorsun. Biraz daha geriye doğru yat.
Böyle.
Ayaklar havaya. Sağ elini uzat bana.
Oradayken bir konuşma yapabilirsin istersen.
Okay guys, I am starting and it's little secret, you know, but it's okay. Okay, let's go. Hadi gidelim abi.
Hadi 3, 2, 1.
It was amazing experience. Yes, it's crazy. I secret. Yeah, okay. I'm saying it's a little secret because it's very fast and wow. This is really enjoy. Yeah, I was really enjoy. Okay, guys, I want to share this and now I'm in the Şirince and I will show you something. Okay, let's go to other part. Go. Hey guys, now we are in the school. Here is school and it's a little different school because on the mounts you can sit it. Actually now here is closed because of coronavirus. Yeah. Here is slowly. Here is name Nesin Matematik Köyü. Mathematics Mat. Köy is village. Yeah. Here is like this. Look at the old house. And here is on the mount and it's different other school. Here is alone, you know. Here is special school. Like this school only here in the Turkey because it's different, you know, on the mounts and education is very different here, you know, open place and other activity, not like a normal school, you know, it's different school here. And this is really good. Yep. Okay, guys. Now we are going to Şirince village and we will buy wine. Okay, guys. Let's go. Hi guys again. Now I'm in the Şirince and look at this. Did you remember? I did vlog, wine vlog and Turkish cafe vlog here in the here. You can watch there. And here is really beautiful. Look at the house. Okay guys, I did buy wine and I'm going to home. Yeah. Here is very good. I like it. Yeah, I love here. Here is very small and very cute. Sweet. Yeah. And here is special just wine. It's interesting, right? Yeah. Just wine. Okay guys, I'm joking. Yeah. I'm going to home and thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget subscribe and like. I love you so much. Take care. Goodbye.